Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have KYBER Network daily update. Of course, we are going to see the next price targets and do not forget that we have a 50% discount on the yearly subscriptions. So go to billmindyourcrypto.com. You will find the link in the description box and in the comment section down below and click the link and then join our yearly 50% discount only until 1st May. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go right now to the targets. So the truth is, I haven't been doing quite good with the KNC predictions. I mean that it has gone in such an impulsive wave mode that it is clearly actually impossible to find what it will do, right? For those that bought near the bottom, congratulations if you hold until now. For me personally, we had many times that KNC should be going down due to the price and technical analysis. However, let's go and start with the real price analysis. We are going to focus mostly on the targets rather than the technical analysis, because as you can see right here, on the weekly frame for KNC, we are having a crazy high risk with the RSI, right? It is at the 83 and it could go down any time. So for the commodity channel index, it is the same. We have a crazy high risk with the stochastic RSI, as you can see, and of course the Fisher transform, which has gone into the 4.61, right? 4.62. And you can see that we have, although we had a crazy high risk even before, we kept going higher. So I'm going to go to the KNC against Bitcoin chart. What I found as the price targets right now is that we have a crazy high risk because we are on the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement line. If you draw the Fib from the top back on 29 June 2020 to the bottom on 28 December 2020. Okay, so right here you can see that what we are having is a very huge resistance level for KNC against BTC. We have it right here at the 0.3014. If we close above on the daily frame and we go above on the daily frame and close above, then we will be going to the next price target, the 0.30176. Can we make it? Maybe, right? I did not know what KNC is capable of, but I'm just telling you right now that we are having a crazy high risk due to the fact that we are on the 0.618 and we found rejection today. You can see we are at a -5%. That's why I'm telling you right now that we are having a high risk because we are on the certain point target. Anyway, if we correct, are we going to correct for so much? I'm going back into the daily frame and I'm going to have a Fibonacci retracement from this bottom up all the way to this top. And for me personally, the most important support level after would be the 0.4097. If we are about to correct so much, then we are going to stop there, eventually have a buying pressure, and then we are going to correct again, assuming that this is the top, right? I'm assuming that this is the top and we are going now to see lower highs and lower lows. However, if we close above, as we talked about, the 0.30s 1413 in the daily frame, 1431, sorry, then we are going to 0.430s 1761.8. Let's go back to KNC USDT chart, and what we have here is a trend-based Fibonacci extension tool. I love the trend-based Fibonacci extension tool. Sometimes it gives crazy nice targets. As you can see right here, we closed on this weekly frame a little bit below the 4.76 actually. Then what we did was to go even higher. Okay, and right now though we haven't closed the weekly yet. What does this mean? It means that we could either have a sell pressure and close even below the 4.75, or we could have a breakout and go even to 7 USDT. It will depend mostly on how we close this weekly. If you see a rejection on the weekly frame, that means we have until 3 days, like 3 days until we close the weekly, 3 to 4. Okay, so if we close the weekly below the 4.75, then remember that this time I will be right and it will go and correct. However, if we close above, probably we can go to 7 USDT. Yes, KNC is in an extremely impulsive wave mode and we cannot be sure what it will do. For example, constant bearish side divergence led to nothing. Okay, this whole thing right here just kept going even higher. So you have to go with the price targets rather than the technical analysis. You have to leave behind the TA. And what I'm saying is that we need right now on the weekly frame to close above. On the daily frame, we could be going further down. That means that we have more chances maybe into seeing a rejection and into going further down below the 4.75 into the next 1 to 2 days. I mean 2 to 3 days actually. If we find support level right here as we are going down, then it is a very possible scenario that we are going up again towards the 7 USDT, which is the most important resistance level after the 4.75. But if you have missed the hype trade and you want to get in, I suggest you wait patiently 3 days, see if it closes above the 4.75 and then enter. Instead, do not do anything until then. This is my personal humble opinion. Do not short it, do not go long. Okay, so of course, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are and do not forget to join our subscription. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.